Chikkamagaluru. Bike's all set. I am set. It's 5:30. 6 o'clock. I have to reach the Pale toll, Ishwantpur road. I think half an hour it should be good. I initially thought I'll take the nice road, but then it should be okay now. Not much of traffic, so I'll take the city road. I'll talk to you on the road. There's actually a small reason for this ride. So I have 3 more people who are joining with me. All these 3 are going to join me for the bigger ride too, to Ladakh, which we are planning. Not planning, it's already planned. That we're going to start on June 29th, riding all the way from here to Ladakh through Zanskar. There's some new routes that I will be taking this time. So guys have done up all their bikes. They wanted to do a test ride. I said okay, short distance. It's only till Chikkamagaluru. It's around 250 kilometers. We're going to a place somewhere near Balehonnur. So that's the plan. Just one day. Stay tonight there and then come back tomorrow. This is a place that I've gone multiple times. It's called Bhadra Nature Camp. It's by the Bhadra River. There's Mr. Rafiq. Dominar boys. That's one bike which is coming along for the ride, and that's the second. That's my bike. This is Binish, and that's Venkat. This is Venkat's bike, and that's Binish's bike. Boys are wearing new helmet, new telecom system. I knew that there is Vaishali somewhere on this road, so I had to check. It was only 8.5 kilometers, so came to Vaishali. What happened? Transalp, that is. Kalinga, there. Yeah. Sebastian.
Hi,
Yeah.
this is Superman.
Hi. Yeah, I see a lot of messages of yours.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Nice seeing you.
Yeah. That's it? You're going back?
We're just riding to Coorg.
Oh, okay. We are going to Chikkamagaluru. Yeah.
Coorg.
We are going to Chikkamagaluru. Yeah.
Take care.
Sure. Cheers, man. നമ്മുടെ ഗ്രൂപ്പ്. That is Kasiki. Versus 1000. Oh, look at this Java. That's Transalp 750. And this is Dominar. BMW, Hayabusa, couple of more bikes there. Where are the boys? Whoa, whoa, whoa. We are stopped by for air. Looks like Rafiq's back wheel is punctured. Looks like it. I don't know. No, I'm just telling. What happened? Where are you going? Okay. Chikkamagaluru straight. No kavda. No. Okay. ഞങ്ങൾ ഇങ്ങോട്ട് പോയായിരുന്നു. ആ ശരി, പോ മാപ്പ് ഉണ്ടല്ലേ, ഭദ്ര നേച്ചർ ക്യാമ്പ് അല്ലേ. Approaching, reached Belur. There we are, stuck in the rain. Around 30 kilometers to our destination, but then it started raining, but we are loving it. Awesome. To Chikkamagaluru.
He's the man.
He is the man who did the off-roading today. And these are the bikes. We rode in the rain. And this is the place. There's some bit of off-roading there. I couldn't switch on my GoPro because, you know, I'm gonna spoil this. So this is the place. It's called Bhadra Nature Camp. That's where we are. Small bit of off-roading, lot of slippery roads, and that's the Bhadra river there. Not sure if you're able to see that.
So these guys are here right next to the property, and they are setting up a net to catch fresh fish so that we can have fresh fish for dinner. And this is an amazing place. Look at it, so beautiful. We'll go there as well. I'm not sure if the camera can show it, but yeah, that's where we're gonna swim, and I'll try to capture that as well.
This is our test ride, right?
Yeah.
So we just did the test ride. Yeah, Ladakh trip. So we did a test ride because all these guys have put in a lot of effort, a lot of things on their bikes. We just thought that we will just do a test ride just to check if everything works fine. And then there is Binish, there is Mr. Binish, Mangla Sherry. He's the DRC Owners Club moderator. Not sure if you're able to see this. It says no access to the river bank after dark. We're sorry. We sound like your mom, but rules are rules. Awesome. If everyone in India can follow this, it's awesome. Good job, guys.
Experience.
So, yeah. Times what? Times 10:55. We're leaving from here. That's the place that we stayed. It was raining all this while. We tried wearing our rain gear. Had to remove it because it's all cleared up now. So we'll be leaving from here. That's Naveen trying out the bike, Dominar. And that's the place. There's short off-roading from there. Once we move from there, that we'll get to see in some time. Cheers, guys.